Take a breath, I feel the groove. I let my mindset start to move. No more tension in my chest. I'm learning how to trust the rest. I used to worry, count the cost, hold too tight, afraid I lost. Now I smile, I loosen my grip. Let abundance find my ship. I release all fear around money. I welcome abundance in. On chase at enough of the good things walk right way. I release all fear around money. I feel lighter when I say there's enough for me to grow. There's enough coming my way. I'm done with stress, I'm done with doubt. I know what value's all about. What I give comes back around in steady ways and solid sound. I trust my rhythm, trust my pace. I take my place, I own my space. Money flows where clarity goes, and now my confidence shows. I release all fear around money. I welcome abundance now. I stand relaxed, I stand tall. I don't beg, I don't bow. I release all fear around money. It feels good to let it go. I respect it, I align, I let prosperity grow. I move smart, I move clean. I see things I hadn't seen. New ideas open doors, opportunities want more. I'm not greedy, I'm aligned. I expand my open mind. I can dream and still stay real. I can earn and still feel free. I release all fear around money. Feel the shift inside my spine. From survival to expansion, from someday into mine.